Retreating or post-monsoon means the end of monsoon, when monsoon withdraw from India. During October and November, with the apparent movement of sun towards south. During October and November, sun shift from Tropic of Cancer to the Tropic of Capricorn. As a result, the monsoon trough or the low pressure area over the northern plain becomes weaker. This is gradually replaced by the high pressure system, because there is opposite relationship between temperature and pressure. When temperature starts decreasing, pressure starts increasing. So in the northern plain, pressure also starts increasing. The southwest monsoon wind weakens and starts withdrawing gradually, means slowly it starts withdrawing. By the beginning of October, monsoon withdraws from northern plains. The month of October-November form a period of transition. Transition means change from hot rainy season to dry winter season. The retreat of the monsoon is marked by clear skies and rise in temperature. While day temperature are high, nights are cool and pleasant. The land is still moist. Owing to the condition of night temperature and humidity, the weather becomes rather oppressive during the day. This is commonly known as October heat. During the daytime, temperature is hot, which is known as October heat. In the second half of the October, the mercury begins to fall rapidly in the northern hemisphere. It means in the second half of the October, temperature in the northern plain, northern India starts decreasing. The low pressure conditions over the northwest India get transferred to the Bay of Bengal. Means the low pressure area shifted to Bay of Bengal by the early November. This shift is associated with the occurrence of cyclonic depression, which originate over Andaman Sea. In Bay of Bengal, the temperature of sea is high as comparing to the temperature of land. So high temperature means low pressure occur in the Bay of Bengal, which cause the occurrence of cyclonic depressions. These cyclones generally cross the eastern coast of India, cause heavy widespread rain in the eastern coast. The tropical cyclones are very destructive. The thickly populated deltas of Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are frequently struck by cyclones, which cause great damage to life and property. Sometimes these cyclones arrive at the coast of Orissa, West Bengal and Bangladesh. The bulk of rainfall of Coromandel coast is derived from the depression and cyclone. Coromandel coast is the southeastern coast of Eastern Ghat. It lies in the coastal area of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, which receives rainfall from the cyclone during the month of October and November.